What's up, guys? Today we will be playing one block. Okay, guys, where were we? Over here. Okay, busy playing one block. Whoa! Chill, man, chill. Chill, bro, chill. Okay, chill, bro, chill. Wait, I broke the trap door, so we know it's the one block, bro, chill. Make more planks. Make me a pickaxe. Okay, bro. Bro, you need a pickaxe. Get that up, one. Get that up, but again. Pick that up. Okay, bro, okay. We need stone, bro. We need stone. Once we need stone, okay, guys. Okay. Yeah. What the hell, bro? Poison berry bush. Who did place this down? We're gonna need to have bone meal. We can make bone meal. Hooray, we have bone meal. Okay, put this in the chest, this bone meal. Put some eggs here in the chest. We have 30 eggs. We almost have a stack of clay. We have a raw meat. We have mostly enough supplies to last us. Can you try to get stone? Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. We shall end it here. See you in the next video.